Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a unboxing of a StitchFix maternity box. I wanted to do this quick video because when it comes to maternity clothes, the last thing you want to do when you have a toddler is go buy new clothes and shop for them, especially if you're only going to be wearing them for a few months. My strategy has been to kind of just buy some bigger dresses for the summer that are on sale. I got some really cute Lily ones, but for the interim, I decided to try the StitchFix Maternity, and I liked it last time, and I just wanted to show you guys. So I'm not being paid to do this, I'm just showing you what I got. And there are some other subscription services that you can do if you're pregnant, like Lay Tote, and there's a few other ones that you get sent the clothes and then you send them back, so you don't actually have to keep them. They're not too expensive, but to be honest, I don't spend a lot of money on my clothes, and so to be spending like a monthly allowance just seemed a little bit much. If I get really big, maybe I'll do it, but let's see what I got from Stitch Fix. So first they send it to you in this cute little box. Open it, nicely packaged. So I have a little jewelry, and then all the clothes are folded up right here. I'm gonna open them up for you. And then here, this is all the pricing. Ooh, everything's under $100, so that's really good. I'm excited about that. And here's a little card, and they show you how to style all of the clothes that they got you. So you can kind of see right there the clothes, and you get to keep this. I'm excited. I peeked already at what I got, and I'm pretty excited, so I kind of know what to expect. But all right, so when I was pregnant with Tommy, I had 2 pairs of maternity jeans, and I hated them both. I hated them. I donated them hoping that maybe someone else that would like them, but I'm not gonna throw them out, so of course I donated them. So I asked for maternity jeans. These are Lila Ryan, and they cost $98, which I guess is kind of average for jeans these days. They feel super stretchy, which I like, and I'm gonna try them on for you. So this is number 1, the Lila Ryan skinny jean. All right. So I've got the pants on. They come all the way on up, and they're ankle length, which I love, so I can wear them with sneakers, and can let it all hang out here. I'm a big fan. Now the real true test of maternity jeans is whether or not they stay up. That is the real problem. So let me see. They feel pretty up there. I think the key with a jean like this is to really make sure that you do not put them in the dryer so the elasticity doesn't get lost. And it's pretty much exactly what I asked. So when you do Stitch Fix, you can ask them if you have any requests for things that you want. And I said that I wanted a pair of jeans and things that I could wear to the playground. And I think that's what this next top is, and I'm actually obsessed. I saw this one, and when I peeked, and I just love this. I can't wait to try it on. I hope it fits nicely, but this is just like perfect. It's gonna be good for videos. I can wear it to the park, I can wear it for date night, and I can wear a bra with it. So I'm obsessed with this top. So I think it is officially maternity, but like, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna wear this even when I'm not pregnant. So this shirt, this is a total keeper for me. I love it, so cute. And this top, I don't think is that expensive. This is $44. It's a cold shoulder top, and if you guys want this, yeah, you would just request the Luxe & Co. maternity ruffle. All right, so this next item I don't think is maternity. This is the Rivington textured open cardigan, but I love cardigans, especially for nursing and being pregnant. They really just kind of dress up a frumpy outfit. So I really like this color. It's like a nice like rose kind of color, I think. Blush. I love it. I don't have any blush cardigans. It's super soft. I think this is gonna be a yes. I love this cardigan. I love everything in this Stitch Fix. Honestly, like once a year I keep everything, and I just happened to decide to do an unboxing of this one. So this is the sweater. It's super comfortable, I love the color. I think that's probably my favorite part about this. I have so many black cardigans and gray that like it's nice to have something this beautiful blush color that's so on trend right now. When you open up a good fix, it's just like, just makes your day. This last shirt is by a company called Mix, and it's just a gray t-shirt, perfect for wearing to the park. Jean jacket with this. Pretty excited about this. And you can wear it with like, ooh, some like camo pants. Oh, that would be cute. You can never have too many t-shirts, especially gray t-shirts in my opinion. And I really like this one because it's lightweight and also it has a nice scoop neck, and look how low it comes. Sorry, I know this is like awkward, but like this is on like a low tripod. So I could even wear this with my black leggings. Be perfect. All right. And then lastly, we have our jewelry. So StitchFix, you can get bags, you can get shoes and jewelry. I love when they send me necklaces because I always lose them and they're all pretty affordable. Ooh, and this one's gold. This one's really pretty. Oh, I'm super excited about this. Again, this is not sponsored. I do have a link below that's a referral, but oh, it's like a 2-tier necklace. Oh, this is pretty. This necklace is price-wise, $34. So the benefit of StitchFix is if you keep everything, you get 25% off. Oh, I love this necklace. This is beautiful. I'm definitely gonna keep this. This is like right up my alley. So this is great because if you're wearing just like a boring black maternity top, you could wear this with some jeans and some booties or whatever. The pressure to get this clasp. So for all these clothes, the total came out to be $278. And let's see, if I keep everything, I'm gonna get 25% off. So that is gonna be 70 bucks. So like, it makes sense for me to keep this necklace, and pretty much I'm getting like a necklace or I'm getting like 2 of the tops for free. So I think I'm gonna keep everything from this box. So good job, StitchFix.